You searched how to buy shares of Essex Property Trust Inc. Essex Property Trust is a U.S. residential real estate investment trust trading on NASDAQ under the ticker ESS and focused on multifamily apartment communities. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy ESS, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registration, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ESS to find Essex Property Trust Inc. Make sure you select the listing on NASDAQ and the match that shows ESS. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for ESS. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it's the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is filled. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.